Hi, welcome to my channel From Cheap to Chic. My name is Sharon. Thanks for coming back to watch this video. If you are subscribed, if you're not, I hope you'll consider subscribing to this channel. Today I have an unboxing from Kokorosa. They reached back out to me and said they would like to work with me again, so I enjoyed that, and so I said I would sure like to work with you again. So I ordered some dies, and so I got this flower background. This is so pretty. All those little flowers. You could just put a gem everywhere there. Oh my goodness. So we'll be making a card or something with that. And then look at these little animals. So cute. Look at the elephant, the hippopotamus, this giraffe. Oh, so giraffes and elephants are probably my two favorite animals to see at the zoo. Although I love the hippopotamuses. I love all the animals. Look at these cute little bows to go with them. So pretty. I can't even wait. I can't. And then I got this. I don't know. Is it nesting? I'm not sure. But this flower die. Look how big that is. How pretty that's going to be. I can't even wait to work with these dies. And then I know that Christmas is far away. So I'm going to have to do a Christmas project. But you know how cute that is. These are just little miniature things. You got a miniature, you got a toboggan, and so I guess, I can't remember, guys. It's been a while since I ordered this, but here's a present and stuff. So that goes with this die. So you have little windows to put the little miniature, you know, the little reindeer and things inside here to make a pretty card. But also you could take this and you could use, you know, just use this and cut another layer to go on here. You could put your ghosts, bats, anything for Halloween. Fall, you can do little different pumpkins and wagons and whatever, you know. So anyway, I thought these would be great. I really do enjoy making cards. So I want to try to, you know, get different things to make cards. All right, and so this is my unboxing. I hope you all come back to watch what I'm going to make with these dies that I got from Kokorosa. I will put the links in the description box for all of these. I don't know if there's a discount for Kokorosa. There may be. If it is, I will put that down there too. But you know, we've said this a lot with these dies and stuff. You can see how well made these dies are. They're well worth the money from this company. I enjoy, they are so detailed, and you know, they cut well. I really enjoy Kokorosa's dies. So very sturdy dies. So if you're looking for some cheap, wonderful, well-made dies, this is the company for you, I tell you. I wouldn't say that. Look, you can see that's not bending very easy. I mean, it's going to give, of course, but it's not. It's a well-made die. I really enjoy these. So I hope you all come back to see what I make with these. I can't even wait. I can't even wait to do this card. I'm going to make a card with this. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. And I hope you all have a great morning, noon, night, evening, whatever time of day it is you're watching this video. I hope you are enjoying yourself. Thank you so much.